Hi, in this part we will see how we can install Python in Ubuntu. By default it is installed in Ubuntu already, but if it's not, you can always use sudo apt-get install Python. As simple as that. Enter your sudo password and you can see that you can install your Python. If you install Python, the version 2.7 will be installed. If you install Python 3, the version 3.7 will be installed. You can always specify your Python version which you want to install, and finally you can check your Python version with this command. Oops, I had a typo. And Python 3. So these are the two Python versions I have installed in my system.